Many long-term disability policies contain what is known as a mental nervous limitation. These limitations put a cap on the benefits you may receive if your disability is due to a mental health condition. While these limitations are very common in LTD policies, they should not necessarily apply in every case where a claimant suffers from a mental or nervous condition. Hi, I'm Leah Small, managing attorney here at Chisholm and Kilpatrick, a nationally leading public interest law firm based in Providence, Rhode Island. Today, I'm joined by CCK founding partner, Robert Chisholm. Today, we'll be discussing these mental nervous limitations, how insurance companies use them to limit benefits, and some tips you should keep in mind if the insurance company is applying such a limitation to your claim. Before we begin, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content.
Thanks, Leah. So you hinted in the opening what a mental nervous limitation is, but can you explain a little more in depth what these provisions are?
Absolutely. So these provisions limit benefits for disabilities due to mental or nervous disorders. Typically, they're going to limit benefits to 24 months, but it can vary policy to policy. For example, your LTD policy may state that benefits are only payable for a maximum of 24 months in your lifetime if your disability is due to or contributed to by a mental health condition. Under these limitations, benefits will stop once you've reached the amount of benefits specified in the limitation, regardless of whether you are still disabled. Most LTD policies will define what is considered to be a mental condition for purposes of your LTD coverage. This definition can be very broad, such as any condition listed in the DSM will fall under the mental nervous limitation, or more narrow. So it's important to read your policy carefully to understand the limitations that might apply to you. It's also important to note that some policies may altogether exclude benefits for disabilities based on mental illnesses, although this is more rare. Remember though, insurance companies don't want to pay benefits, so if they can use the limitation against your claim, then they will.
So what are some of the tips you can offer LTD claimants suffering from a mental health or nervous condition?
So there are many claims where a mental nervous limitation is correctly applied. However, we also encounter insurance companies trying to apply these limitations anytime a mental or nervous disorder is present, even if they shouldn't be in this claimant-specific case. For example, some mental nervous limitations contain exemptions, even if the condition would otherwise fall under the policy's definition of mental disorder. Common ones include disabilities due to Alzheimer's disease or bipolar disorder, and others. So it's important to read your policy carefully and verify that it's proper for the insurance company to apply the limitation to your condition. Additionally, if you also have a physical condition, you should provide proof that that condition by itself disables you from working, and thus the limitation should not apply to your claim. Additionally, if your mental health condition is not a standalone condition, but rather is the result of a physical condition, you should also provide proof of that to the insurance company and again argue that the limitation should not apply to your claim.
So for example, if I had a back disability and that prevented me from working, but I also suffered from depression as a result of the back disability, is that an example of what we're talking about?
Correct.
Thanks, Leah. If you need help with your long-term disability claim or appeal, then CCK may be able to help you. Since 1999, we've been helping claimants get the benefits they need. We've gone up against all the big-time insurance companies and know how they operate. You can reach out to us at any time for a free case evaluation, either by phone or via an online form on our website. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content. Take care.